So you may recall that in the early days, we had 2 trim levels. This was an idea to sort of bundle together many of the features of a Lightship into either an Atmos, we called it, or a Panos. Panos had a small battery. First thing we learned, nobody wanted it, or very few people did. Everybody wanted the big battery. So what did we do? Big battery is now standard. We also have a more a la carte ordering approach now so that people can configure their Lightship to be exactly what they want. Everything they want, nothing they don't.
The trims were my idea. It was a bad idea. You gotta learn. So yeah, now you get to pick what you want. For instance, I want the 3rd bed. I need that for my kids. We also have an elevated living package, which is sort of all of the creature comforts inside. We also have the effortless package, which is all of the cool tech. That's an exciting one too.
Yeah, exactly. You can add Trek drive, you can add either the full solar system or scope it down. It's really just kind of opened up the set of ways that someone can configure a Lightship across a wider range of prices and a wider offering. We think people will love it. It's available on our website today, so go in and play with the configurator and make your own.